there is absolutely no reason why the Deputy President will skip a state event. It can only be sabotage on his side. So we want to tell him, and I want to say this as a chairman of budget, we cannot be appropriating funds to your office, yet you are not ready to discharge the responsibility that has been given to you by the Constitution of assisting and deputizing the President. To me, as a chairman of budget, I am taking it very extremely serious as a chairman of budget, because we appropriate funds to the office of the Deputy President. And if he is not ready to perform the duties assigned to him by the Constitution, then as a chairman, I am at liberty to also review the budget and see what we can also be able to do with that budget.
He said that he's going to serve Kenyans. And in a function that Kenyans are being served, it is only incumbent upon him that he goes there, stands up with his principles, and makes sure that he gives a message of hope to Kenyans.
Hata juzi ya kuhudhuria, mbona hakuuliza ya juzi? Mbona hakuuliza ya cabinet? Mbona hakuuliza ya National Security Council? Mbona unaangalia tu ya jana? Kwani serikali iliitwa jana?
He has been on record saying he has no work, that he is not assigned work. You know, his work was taken over by Matiang'i, because Matiang'i is the minister coordinating other ministers. So the things he used to do nowadays are done by Matiang'i. He has cabinet committees every Tuesday, all right? And then they have the full cabinet every Thursday. Let's wait and see.